If you be content creator, come closer, make I give you this great information wey go help you. I know say if you be content creator, data dey very important for you. You understand? And if you notice now, you go see say they don't change the price of data. To buy am, e no dey easy now. You understand? So this particular video, I wan show you how you go take minimize the way they take waste your data. I hope say you dey understand. So if you dey watch this video from YouTube, abeg subscribe. And if you dey watch this video for Facebook, abeg follow this page for more updates. So now the information of follow me on my screen, make I show you wetin I dey talk about. If you be upcoming content creator, this particular information you really need am, because it go really help you. E dey frustrating as you dey do this content creation, you no dey earn anything from there, you still dey waste money unnecessarily. The thing dey pay you. I know say na investment wey dey do for future. Say you dey do video, dey upload, but you got to use your brain. So now wetin I wan show you here. After you don edit your video finish, you understand, you edit your video, whether na InShot or CapCut, you save am. You know say the thing dey always get a lot of MB, no matter how short or long the video dey. You understand, the thing dey consume a lot of MB. Make I show you my own. Make I use my own show you example. Make I go for where my videos then dey. You see this particular video. You see this video. This video now 1 minute 15 seconds. But if I tell you say this video take up to, make I show you the original video. You understand? See the original video here. The thing take about 100 and you see 113 MB. Imagine say you share this video for your social media handles, maybe you did TikTok, YouTube, or Instagram and Facebook. You can't share everything. You know, say with this particular video, then they collect about 400 and something MB, almost get it to 500 MB. Maybe just put out 500 MB. You don't waste time for this one particular video. So this particular video now, I want to show you how you go take, you understand, how you go take, they minimize the MB. You think nobody waste like that. So once you don't edit your video finish, the first place where I go advise you make you upload. Now you get your choice, whether YouTube or TikTok, anywhere where you know where you feel first upload. But for me, I go advise you make you upload for TikTok and for Facebook first. You understand? That video will be shown. Now make I go show now for my Facebook app. You understand? So after you don't share the video for Facebook, so the next thing we go do now to go for this your Facebook. You understand? Go for your Facebook app. So the next thing what you go do, go for your page. You understand? Look for that particular video when you want post for other social media platforms. You understand? Make I look for the video. Now the video be this ready for my features, but no be now the video be this. So as you come for this video now, the next thing what you go do, now to copy the video link. You understand? Just click here. This place say share. Copy the link. You understand? You minimize. You see this particular app. What I want to show you now. This app is very important. This app, if you use and download any video for any social media platform, you understand? So what you just do, just click on the app. Immediately when you click the app, automatically the video link go display. You understand? Just the watch. You see the video link don't display. So what you just click this way and say go. You allow them to load. So once the thing open like this, if you never log inside the app, meaning your Facebook account for the app, you just leave it like that. So the next place where you go click, you see the place that say download. You understand? Just click on the download. The download will go for your phone. And if you look here, you go see the MB. Should be they see how many MB then they show for here. You see 4.88 MB. But if you see the original MB of this video, when I edit and finish and save for my phone, 113 MB. You see the thing don't save you a lot of MB. If you copy this video, post for other of your social media platform. So now the update to this particular app now, if you no get them, or if you don't go for Play Store, say may you download them, you know see them. You understand? Just come to my DM. You see this number where they show for your screen. Come, I will give you the link where you go use download them. But waiting, you just need to give me now just 1K. So now the update to goodbye.